my friends, today we are going to be making a creamy jalapeno dip. It goes great with chips. It also goes great with any type of Mexican dish you might have. And come join me and let's get started making this dip. Alright, to make this creamy jalapeno dip, we will start off with some cilantro. It's a little bit dried, semi-dried I guess. Some lime juice, about 2 tablespoons. Then we have some sour cream, some mayonnaise, and you can vary from a half a cup to maybe 3/4 of a cup of jalapeno, the pickled jalapeno. And there's my ranch, the dried ranch packets that you put in all your casseroles. And those are the ingredients you need. So I've got the hand immersion blender, and that's how I'm going to mix it today. You can also put it in your food processor if you'd like. You're just going to dump everything in there. And this handy dandy looking blender thing came with my Breville hand immersion blender, and I absolutely love it. So you just put all the ingredients in. It's 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of mayonnaise. And I did get this recipe off the internet. It is a Chuy's creamy jalapeno dip, a copycat. Absolutely love Chuy's. It's my husband's favorite place. All right, gonna put the blender together, take off the bottom piece. You're gonna put it at the lowest setting to begin with. And it's just going to mix it up basically the same way you would your food processor. Just going to go up and down a little bit until it's all incorporated. I really love this immersion blender because it is really so fast. It's looking pretty good. Going to pour it into this little glass bowl, and then I'm going to let it sit for a couple of hours so that everything tastes like the ranch and the lime and the jalapenos. All the flavors can combine. Doesn't that look great? All right, now it's time to sample our dip. And we got some chips here. Looks good. Not too watery. This is great. Oh my goodness, this is so good. You are gonna love it. I hope you give it a try. I'm gonna have one more.